Christmas is one of the most popular holidays in America. It is celebrated on December 25th and is a time for fun, family, and giving. Many people look forward to this holiday all year because of the cheerful decorations, delicious food, and special traditions that make it magical. One of the most exciting parts of Christmas is decorating the tree. Families gather to hang shiny lights, colorful ornaments, and sometimes a star or angel on top of the tree. This is a time filled with laughter and memories, as many ornaments have special stories behind them. People also decorate their homes with bright lights, wreaths, and sometimes big displays in their yards. These decorations make neighborhoods look festive and bring everyone together in the holiday spirit. Santa Claus is another big part of Christmas in America. Children believe that Santa comes on Christmas Eve to deliver presents to kids who have been good all year. They often leave cookies and milk for Santa as a thank you. But gift giving isn't just about Santa. Families and friends exchange presents to show how much they care about each other. Gifts are wrapped in colorful paper with ribbons, making them even more exciting to open. Some families like to play games like Secret Santa, where everyone gives one surprise gift, or White Elephant, where presents are swapped in fun and silly ways. Giving gifts is not just about the presents themselves, it's a way to show love, kindness, and appreciation for others. Many employers also participate in the spirit of giving during this season by giving bonuses or special gifts to their employees. These bonuses are a way to show gratitude for the hard work employees have done throughout the year. It's a gesture that adds to the holiday cheer and helps employees feel valued and appreciated. For some, these bonuses help make the holiday season even more special by giving them the chance to buy gifts or plan celebrations for their families. Music is another big part of the Christmas season. Classic songs like Jingle Bells and Frosty the Snowman are played everywhere, and sometimes groups of people go door to door singing carols to spread joy. Baking is also a favorite activity. Families make gingerbread cookies and other treats, decorating them with colorful icing and sprinkles. It's a fun way to spend time together and enjoy sweet treats. When it comes to food, Christmas dinners in America are usually big and delicious. People often eat roasted turkey or ham, mashed potatoes, cranberry sauce, and lots of desserts like pies, cookies, and fruitcake. After dinner, many families gather to watch Christmas movies. Favorites like Home Alone and Elf make everyone laugh and feel cozy. Communities also host events like Christmas markets and light shows, where people can shop, eat, and enjoy the beautiful decorations. If you're learning English, Christmas is a great time to practice new words. You can use phrases like Merry Christmas, holiday spirit, and wrapping paper to talk about the season. Learning about these traditions is also a fun way to understand American culture. Christmas in America is all about spending time with loved ones, sharing joy, and celebrating the season. It's a holiday filled with warmth, creativity, and kindness. How do you celebrate Christmas where you live? Let us know in the comments and share your favorite traditions. Let's spread the holiday cheer together. Review these key words from the story asterisk. Christmas tree, a decorated tree, usually evergreen, that is a symbol of the holiday season. Santa Claus, a jolly man in a red suit who is believed to deliver gifts to children on Christmas Eve. Secret Santa, a gift exchange game where each person gives and receives one anonymous gift. White Elephant, a gift swap game where participants exchange fun and often silly presents. Holiday Spirit, the feeling of joy, kindness, and generosity that comes with the holiday season. Wrapping Paper, decorative paper used to cover gifts. Christmas Carols, festive songs sung during the holiday season. Bonus, extra money or gifts given by employers to employees as a thank you for their work. Gingerbread, a type of cookie or cake flavored with ginger and often decorated. Christmas Market, a festive event where people can shop, eat, and enjoy holiday-themed activities. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.